लोग यहाँ आए हैं उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। एक स्मॉल राउंड ऑफ इंट्रोडक्शन हम लोग चाहेंगे कि अगर आप लोग बता दें किस चीज़ में आप लोगों का एक्सपीरियंस है। सर वैसे पहुँचने ही वाले हैं हमारे सेक्रेटरी सर पार्थसारथी सेन शर्मा सर, और ही इज़ राइट नाउ हैविंग एडिशनल चार्ज ऑफ दिस डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एडिशनल सोर्सेज ऑफ एनर्जी, और उसके साथ साथ वो इस समय सेक्रेटरी टू सीएम भी हैं, जिसका हम लोगों को बहुत ही ये कहते हुए अच्छा लगता है कि बहुत सारी हमारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो हमें तुरंत डिसीजंस मिल जाते हैं और तुरंत हम उसको इम्प्लीमेंट भी कर पाते हैं। तो ये एक आज का जो मीटिंग है इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मीटिंग, और मैं यही चाहूँगी कि आप सब लोग इसमें बिल्कुल अपना बिना किसी हेजिटेशन के फ्रैंक होकर अपना ओपिनियन दीजिए। आपके जो पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं उनको शेयर कीजिए, क्या अच्छा है क्या बुरा है, एंड अदर स्टेट्स आप लोगों को क्या अच्छा और क्या बुरा लग रहा है वो चीज़ें शेयर कीजिए, जिससे कि हमें हेल्प हो सके, हम आगे अपनी पॉलिसीज़ को फ्रेम कर सकें। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस साइड।
UP Sugar Mills Cogen Association.
I'm Anil Gupta, Chief General Manager, Balrampur Chini Mills. Looking after 200 megawatt generations in Balas.
Yeah, I'm Rakesh from Dhampur Sugar Mills. We have cogen plants, multi-fuel, low oil.
I'm V.K. Chaturvedi, Managing Director, Asher Eco Power, Bombay. We have already running plant on a husk, rice husk in UP, and we are further enhancing the capacity on a rice husk. Our focus is Mathura mein. It is one of the largest on a rice husk in UP, and we are further doing another project on a rice husk. My concentration is more on a rice husk in biomass space.
Myself, Pankaj Trivedi from Balrampur Chini Mills. We have also multiple plants.
I'm Ranjan Kumar from Orient Green Power, Chennai-based company. We operate almost 12 plants across India on biomass.
Which plants?
Biomass plants.
Biomass.
12 biomass plants.
MP Sharma, Advisor Sukhbir Agro Energy, operating already 30 megawatt biomass plant.
I'm Tarun Kaushik. I'm from Green Life Corporate Solutions. We are dealing into solar power plants and windmill.
कहाँ पर किस?
We are based at Delhi.
Delhi.
We have just started and we are partnering with one US company and one Japanese company.
So already you have established some plants?
No, not yet
So you are
established.
just starting?
We are just
Okay.
starting.
A to Z. So you only did it in Lucknow, the waste to energy?
No.
अच्छा, that's some other A to Z.
They did in Kanpur. They did in Kanpur.
Kanpur. So is it running or is it closed?
At the moment it's closed.
Closed. So we would like to hear from you.
Yeah,
What
sure.
happened and why?
Sure.
Okay.
My name is Mansoor. I am director of E2Z.
Director A to Z. Okay.
Good morning. I am Deepak Agrawal, ex-IFS 90 batch and Joint Managing Director A2Z Infrastructure.
Good morning. I am Gyan Mishra. I am from ILFS Environment, and we are doing waste to energy project in Delhi, Gazipur.
So you have recently, I mean, अभी आपका recently start हुआ है?
Ma'am, it's going to be commissioned next month.
Okay, not commissioned yet. Fine. So any other project in India?
No, we are in a big way in waste management, starting from door-to-door collection, transportation, Nagpur, Vadodara. Then composting plants we have in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. We have effluent treatment plant also in Andhra Pradesh. So we have about 16 plants pan-India.
So any experience in UP or you are just like?
No ma'am, no experience.
I'm Rajiv Ranjan Singh, Head of Business Development from Sendai Engineering. It's a CTCI group company of Taiwan.
Okay.
We intend entering into waste to energy.
Okay.
Asher Eco Power Mathura.
Asher किसमें काम करता है?
Asher Eco Power biomass.
Biomass, right. Okay.
Vinod Patil from Jain Irrigation Systems Limited,
Oh.
Jalgaon. We have established 1.6 megawatt biogas power plant for our captive use.
Okay.
I am also from Joint Irrigation.
Myself Sanjeev Kumar, I'm from Ramkey Enviro Engineers. We are into waste management and right from door to door collection even to waste to energy. We are doing projects in Delhi.
From Dalmia Bharat Sugar, and we have 63 cogeneration plants in UP.
Okay.
Engineering at Dalmia Bharat Sugar. We have 75 megawatt power plants in UP.
Next teacher.
Sukhbir Singh from Superior.
Fine. Okay. आप लोग बैठिए. Next teacher.
Abhishek Singh from Jyoti Environment.
अच्छा आप लोग तो यही कर रहे हैं लखनऊ. Okay. Next.
Sujay Gupta from Jyoti Environment.
Okay. Here तो हमारा
Rupesh Sharma from Jindal.
अच्छा, जिंदल is doing in Mawana?
Delhi.
Delhi. Mawana में भी कोई कर रहा है ना?
We are doing Ramki.
अच्छा, Ramki is doing in Mawana.
Dimapur, Okhla, we are running Dimapur.
Okhla.
Yes.
अच्छा, how many of you are interested to give presentation today here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So anybody biomass का आप में से किसका है? From biomass. You will be giving a presentation.
Actually, I was not told to bring presentation.
You
I can
say a
speak.
few things,
Yeah,
okay.
I will just speak, but I will not give presentation.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Then
I will give one.
on
Two of you from biomass. Let us just finalize the things before sir come. So आप दोनों लोग आप biomass से बात कीजिए. I mean as a whole, not from your company side, but from the stakeholder side. आप morning sir. Good morning sir. Namaste.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of UP NEDA, I welcome you all to the stakeholders meet on draft policies of biomass power, waste to energy, and wind energy. Before we commence with the meet, may I request Dr. Kajal, Director UP NEDA, to welcome Secretary to Honorable Chief Minister, who is also Secretary Additional Sources of Energy, Mr. Parthasarathy Singh Sharma, with a bouquet of flowers. May I now request Secretary UP NEDA, Mr. Tripathi, to welcome Secretary Sir with a bouquet of flowers. May I request Dr. Kajal, Director UP NEDA, to deliver the welcome address and introduce the theme of the stakeholders meet on draft policies of the state.
Thank you, Namita. Good morning, all of you. Good morning, sir, and thank you for giving us this opportunity today. As you all know, as I was discussing with all of you, that today we will be discussing about these draft policies that we have framed, and we would like to hear from all of you. Many of you must be working in UP already, or you are intending to work here. And some of you have already done some experiences, are there, good or bad. I intend to hear all of you from both, bad and good point of view. आपका कैसे experience था? What did you do? If it is running successfully, what are the reasons behind it? And if it did not, then what happened? So as we all know, UP has got a very good potential in biomass and solar energy, and in fact in wind energy also at 80 meters. I'm told that there is a potential of almost 1260 megawatt here. So सबसे पहले तो हम लोग ये बताएंगे कि हमारा solar policy is already out. Solar rooftop policy is already out, उस पर हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं. But since we don't have policies under these sectors, so सबसे पहला step यही होगा कि हम लोग इन policies को frame कर सकें और उस policies को successfully implement करने के लिए it was necessary that we should have a kind of open and frank discussion with all of you, जिससे कि हम लोग ये decide कर सकें कि बाकी country के बाकी प्रदेशों में क्या हो रहा है और बाकी लोगों में ऐसे क्या incentives दिए जा रहे हैं या क्या ऐसे experiences हैं जिसको हम भी यूपी में replicate कर सकें या कुछ ऐसा नया जो वहाँ नहीं है but you feel that it should be given, then only यूपी में ये चीज़ें ला सकते हैं. So that kind of discussion, healthy discussion, we are looking forward to it. और हम लोग इसके साथ साथ आप लोगों से ये भी assurance देना चाहते हैं कि since now Secretary Sir has recently taken over and also Sir is holding the charge of Secretary to CM, so हम लोग काफ़ी खुशी से ये बात आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करना चाहते हैं कि हम लोगों के सारे decisions बहुत जल्दी और सक्सेसफुली इम्प्लीमेंट हो रहे हैं और उसका रिजल्ट आप आजकल आप लोग देख भी रहे हैं. सो ये सारी चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखते हुए टुडे आई वेलकम वंस अगेन ऑल ऑफ यू एंड आप सब लोगों से ये रिक्वेस्ट रहेगा दैट लेट अस हैव ऑनेस्ट एंड फ्रैंक डिस्कशन जिससे कि हम इन पॉलिसीज़ को एक फेयर वे में यहाँ पे ला सकें. थैंक यू सर.
Now I will request all of you present here to kindly give your introduction.
नेटा के जो है उनको तुम जानते हैं, जो नेटा के बाहर के उनको.
I speak myself Durga Prasad. I'm retired chief engineer and at present advisor to UP Sugar Mills Cogen Association.
So I'm Anil Gupta, Chief General Manager, Balrampur Chini Mills.
Rakesh from Nagpur Sugar Mills.
Managing Director, Ashar Eco Power Limited, Bombay. We are already having a 60 megawatt running power plant in UP. On rice husk. We are the only 2 persons who are there on the husk, me and Sukhvi Agro. We are the only 2 who are having rice husk.
Myself, Pankaj Trivedi from Nagpur Chini Mills.
I'm Ranjan Kumar from Orient Green Power, Chennai. We operate 12 plants across India on biomass.
But you don't have a footprint in UP yet, is it? Do you have a footprint in UP right now? Not yet.
Morning, this is Tarun Kaushik. I am from Delhi, from Green Life Corporate Solutions. We have started a company partnering with one US-based company and one Japanese company. We are working on solar power projects and wind energy projects.
Vikas Agarwal, Ashar Eco Power Biomass Plant, Mathura.